The Apple Watch has improved year on year since its initial launch in 2015. But one thing it's still not good at is tracking the calories you burn, just like other wearables. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. While the best smartwatches and fitness trackers are capable of providing accurate heart rate, calorie tracking can get tricky, as its results can't be obtained from your wrist. As smartwatches are unable to measure your metabolism, they have to analyze data such as heart rate measurements or the distance you've covered during a run before they can make a random guess at how many calories you've burned. Anna Sherbina, an assistant professor at Stanford, says it's very hard to train an algorithm to be accurate across a wide variety of people because energy expenditure is variable based on someone's fitness level, height, and weight. Studies suggest that Apple Watch and similar wearables couldn't be relied upon to provide accurate calorie expenditure results. Usually, wearables make an educated guess at how many calories you're burning during exercise by compiling various data metrics. The Apple Watch uses motion sensors like an accelerometer and gyroscope to detect movement, pulls GPS information when you're running outdoors, then combines that with heart rate to estimate the energy expenditure of your current physical activity. Most smartwatches now use machine learning algorithms to identify your workout. By analyzing your heart rate, your steps, alongside speed, modern wearables detect what activity you're currently doing. If your heart rate is slow and your steps are slow, a smartwatch will assume that you're having a walk, while continuous smooth motion and limited arm movement will signal to a wearable that you're most likely cycling. Regardless of what type of exercise you're doing, smartwatches can only guess the amount of calories you're burning off. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.